Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Ashland County, central Lorain County until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Grafton to near Wellington to near Polk, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elyria, Medina, Brunswick, North Ridgeville, Grafton, Wellington, Lodi, Chippewa, Polk, Eaton, Oberlin, Sullivan, Seville, LaGrange, Penfield, Pittsfield, Westfield Center, Spencer, Gloria Glen Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Lorain, and Medina. Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from the islands Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, open waters from the islands Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Huer onto near Vermilion, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lorain Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Let's go.
Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
They just got home too.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Genoa, or 13 miles east of Toledo, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Oregon, Northwood, Genoa, Clay Center, Williston, and Bono. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Ottawa. Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Robbie Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio. Open waters from Robbie Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles southeast of North Cape, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Reno Beach. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Monroe County. County in southeastern Michigan, eastern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blissfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Deerfield around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Britain around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dundee around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milan around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include St. Maria, Jasper, Azalea, Cologne, Macon, Riga, Schofield, Oakville, Ridgeway, and Palmyra. This includes us 23 between mile markers 5 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe.